Good morning from sunny Kailua. I wanted to tell you guys about a new project that I'm taking on. I'm going to be doing a series called In the Garden with Ron, and I will be highlighting different plants in my garden each week. Some of my favorite plants that I grow. Most of the plants that I grow give me something to use either culinarily, medicinally, culturally, or just ornamentally. I just like growing a variety of plants and things that will give me things to eat or to look at or to help me heal. But as you can see here, here's an overview of all the exciting plants in the garden. I will be highlighting one a week, and they will be posted to my blog, greeninkailua.com, under blog. They will all be videos. Some may be text if there's further questions on the plants that I'm highlighting that week. And so yeah, that's what I plan on doing. And I wanted to just give you guys a little bit of what the garden looks like now, what you're gonna be learning from the garden, how you could use these plants in your life, in your everyday life. So there, and then as you see the cute puppies laying in the sun. Yeah, so I will also try to highlight the dogs as much as possible in the garden. They're usually not allowed in this garden, but for purposes like they dig or they go to the bathroom, it's not fun to pick up in the garden, so I keep them out. But if you want to follow me, either follow me on my blog or follow me on Instagram at Green in Kailua or on TikTok at Oahu Garden Guy. And I will teach you guys all about these plants, their different uses, why I grow them, how to use them, and I might even have seeds available for purchase if you guys want to grow them, or a tuber or a piece of the cutting of the plant, which is easier usually to produce a clone of a plant. So I hope everybody enjoys this new series, and I hope you keep following me and supporting me, and you will learn a lot of information about plants. So I hope everybody has a wonderful, happy day. A hui ho.